It's Shelly.
And Tom.
And we're gonna make these hot Cheetos and crab legs. This is imitation crab.
Yeah, we went to a couple of stores this morning and they didn't have any of the real crab.
So we're gonna do the hot Cheetos with the so-called crab. And the only ingredients you need is the hot Cheetos, the breadcrumbs, and some eggs. So while I open these up, you can do that.
Crack these up.
Yeah, get these ready. So
Put them in here. And
yeah. So have you tried it yet? The hot Cheetos? No.
Nope, I'm ready to dive into these. It sounds good.
So deep fried.
6 eggs.
Should got some shrimp maybe and see how that tasted. I think they use shrimp too.
I thought they could use, yeah.
I'm not gonna do all of them because I don't like that imitation crab leg. I mean, I think Bo and them do. But
Oh yeah, bubble eat it.
yeah.
Making scrambled eggs.
I think this is enough. Here, Caleb, throw this in the trash. And then those.
You don't need the fork or anything else, do you?
Well, when you dip it, you know. So these are Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Yeah, I've been to 4 stores and for some reason couldn't find hot Cheetos. I don't know why. Ended up getting them at Family Dollar.
Probably because of this.
Might be.
Let me pour some in there. Let me put the breadcrumbs. Oh, that's hot. I wonder if the hotness is gonna go away once it fries. I think that's too much. Those look like they'll be crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
The ninja.
It's a godsend right there.
This thing. I'll do one. That's it. Well, actually, probably do 2. And then,
Wait, it smells it's hot. Ooh.
try that oiled one.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, gotta try everything. It's like them cool lickles.
Make sure you check that video out.
I mean, they said that's supposed to be a down south favorite, but I guess we missed it here. I mean, we're not really down south, but
Yeah.
we got that cutting board. So after we dip them, let me switch it this way.
Put them over here on this.
Yeah.
That should
I
be
like
good.
this. I guess if we need more, then we'll just add more to it. So, you know what? You don't know.
You want tongs? I'm gonna probably use some tongs.
One of these.
Oh, okay, that'll work.
Yeah, the other one. Well, yeah, these will be fine. So this is what you're gonna do. You'll take, and we did wash our hands. This, you know, did you?
Yes, I wash my hands.
Dip it in the egg, and then dip it in the breadcrumbs, and then back in the egg, and back in the breadcrumbs.
Looks good now.
I hope it sticks.
I think the egg wash is what's gonna make it stick. Should.
You could dry off the sticks more. Grab a paper towel.
Okay.
It looks like they're falling off. And then
Lay them out. Here. Lay them out on the
yeah, just
dry 'em.
pat them. And then back in here. That's one.
I'm gonna try one of the.
Take all of them. And just pat them.
Not even dry.
Okay. So try another one that's. You can try one.
Oh yeah.
Egg.
I'm definitely gonna eat one.
Oh.
That's what you meant by try, right?
And back in here. That's not holding too good. Go ahead and do that one. Should have some flour or something.
Maybe because it's the imitation.
It must be, because look, all of that just fell off.
Yeah. Or maybe just go from, I don't know, because you had to have the.
See, it just all falls right off. And again. And then these are crunchy, so these breadcrumbs are really, you know. Yeah, these breadcrumbs, I don't think they're.
Meant for it.
Yeah. Well, this one has flour on it. Maybe it'll help it stick a little bit better. Better with the flour. Try to get those, put those. The flour, just have it.
Okay.
Flour. No more flour. Looks like an experiment going wrong. Want to help me, Andy? Take some Cheetos and put it in there.
Me?
Yes, you. And then put this and grind them up. Like pour a little bit more in there so I can add it to this. You can put that down.
Good, yeah.
Put all of them? The rest of them?
Let me see. No, just that much fun.
Is it holding better?
Yeah.
You have been to 4 stores to get them.
Really?
Yeah. Food Lion, Harris Teeter didn't have any. Even 7-Eleven didn't have any.
The reason why they're sold out like that?
Yeah, because everybody's doing stuff with hot Cheetos and Takis.
Were they on sale? Was there like a space for them at Food Lion?
Yeah, there was a space for them. They weren't on sale. It was
Just
just
up to $4. It used to be like $3.29.
Oh my god.
the space for them was filled with regular Cheetos.
They even have a party size of these at Walmart,
Uh-huh.
but they sell all those too.
Really?
The party size is like a big family size bag.
So what all do they do?
They'll do like, they'll put hot Cheetos and put hot sauce and lime and tahini. Or they'll like make hot Cheetos spaghetti.
Hot Cheetos spaghetti?
Yeah,
Look,
they just make hot Cheetos and anything.
let me get one more because this hot Cheetos and spaghetti. What do they spaghetti? What do they do? They just
They'll like mix
grind it up
Yeah, grind it up, mix it with the noodles and the sauce.
and just well that probably makes it hot.
Yeah, a little kick to your spaghetti, right?
They'll mix hot Cheetos with burritos now. You can go to like, you can make hot Cheetos elotes.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Sprinkle that on there instead of
Tahini.
yeah, that tahini.
Yeah, you like dip roll it in there.
Spread that. Spread that.
We do hot Cheetos with a lot of foods. Mozzarella sticks, pickles, like fried pickles, but the outside is
With
hot Cheetos.
hot Cheetos.
Oh, anything with pickles.
Anything. Yeah, fried pickles are good. Kosher.
Yeah,
And I like pickles.
You like whole pickles?
classic pickles. Just put that in there. 'Cause you might need more egg.
They sell these at 7-Eleven too.
It's a packet. At 7-Eleven, it probably costs an arm and a leg. Like this. Like so, like that.
Oh, that's gonna be a big log right there. Right.
Well, it came off. Oh, you could have went out that door.
The tripod is like,
Oh, the kitty.
Oh. They just laid it in there. Okay, so now we're gonna fry these behemoths. Hopefully this stuff sticks. If not, that one barely has any on it.
I didn't see any. Do you want the tongue?
How long they cook? We don't know.
smells like fish.
I hope it's done. The grease was hot, so well, it's floating. That one's not floating. And they're not red. I think that it's because the stuff is burning.
Some cheese. Mommy eat them.
You know, that's why you keep looking at me.
I look at you because you're trying to step out.
Alright, so we're taste testing them.
Okay, now we're gonna taste test these things. You have to like come in because you can't just see.
My head looks little.
I mean, zoom it. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, zoom it in?
Or turn it at an angle. Because you don't hear all the chit chat we be doing.
Yeah.
Make sure you put that in recording.
Okay.
Yeah. So then we're gonna taste these things. Oh, get napkins.
Yeah.
Right.
We're gonna need them.
Edit that out. Come on.
I am, dear.
All the cheese is still hot.
Yeah. There's 3 of us here.
Oh,
Don't cook that.
my bad.
Okay, we're gonna taste test these things. So go ahead and grab one. I'll let y'all pick since I cooked them. I think the heat was too high. So I'm gonna get this one.
They feel crunchy.
Okay. And then they be putting like cheese sauce in it. Is that what kind of cheese sauce?
Any type of sauce they want to dip it in.
Oh, okay. That's nacho cheese.
Yeah, they
okay,
use
so
that.
okay, so I'm gonna dip it in there. Don't double dip either. Okay.
What? I dipped it. Oh my god.
Hey.
I mean, it's good. I mean, you can't really say nothing over the cheese, right? Don't have no.
I'm gonna take a bite without the cheese, see, because the cheese was overpowering.
Yeah.
That's not bad. I make a good Super Bowl, or you know, like a party appetizer. That's not bad.
Yeah, it's not. Well, you can taste the spice a little bit.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's spicy because I'm feeling it on the back of my throat, and it's not the cheese. It's not salty.
It's good with the cheese though.
And the crab is done.
Even though I tell myself to dip it. Oh well. Oh, all right. I guess that's one thing. Look at Taylor to taste it. You like it with the cheese or without?
With.
Why you get my cheese? Or you just don't want one? You wanna try it, Kayla?
Gotta dip it in the cheese. What's for breakfast?
Cheetos.
I don't know how people are so obsessed with using Cheetos. The flavor runs out when you cook them. So.
Yeah.
It'd be good if the flavor, you can taste the Cheetos.
One thing from the Cheetos is the spiciness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On a crunchiness scale, though, it is pretty crunchy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like you bite it and it bites back. It's like, nah. Good.
Yep. Guess that's one good thing. Better than those cool lickles. If you ain't seen that, go check that out.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yep.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Tastes better with cheese.
This is Jamar.
Oh.
Tastes better with cheese. So,
Hello.
then go try it out.
Hey, what's up, man?
You don't need a lot of ingredients. So,
What's up?
you don't need a lot of ingredients. So,
Shoot.
there you go. One crab left. And then,
You could do it with a sprayer. And